we had a long trip from Mwanza to Mbeya and to Mbeya to Mwanza. It is about more than 1,000 kilometers, Mwanza to Mbeya. And we had a wonderful meeting in Mwanza. We had different place meeting. We had a meeting in Shinyanga for 3 days, and we had a meeting within Mwanza for 3 days. So we thank God that 33 people obeyed the gospel, and we went to baptize them. The water was challenged in that place, but God has blessed us on that time because of the rain, so we get easy to find the place to do baptism. So we baptized 33 people on that time. God added it to his church. And so when we were returning home by van, so my car was broken on my way, so it was another challenge. So the gearbox of my car was broken, so it's supposed to bring this car to garage and to left the car at the garage and to return home in Mbeya by bus to find the way to fix the car, especially to buy a new one gearbox. So I tried to pray to get this gearbox, to get money to buy a new gearbox, and we thank God that we success to bought a new box, and we fixed the car, and I returned. I went to go to take a car in garage and to be able to fix and return with it in there. I think that now the car is good condition, so it will be helping to do for the road work in different place. I thank God and thank your sister and the brothers who contributed to be able to fix this car. We appreciate. Thank you for your prayer.